pulled up. Todd pulled up on me. Hey, man, let them know what you do, man.
I do mobile tire service. I sell new tires. I come out, repair flats. I change them. You just need your spare put on. I come out and put them on. I give you pretty good pricing.
So,
and it's all done on site.
On site. So I can be at work like I am right now. He pulled up on me, took care of the van. So somebody asked me, how far would you travel? That's what they asked me.
It's like the game show. If the price is right, I'm coming.
Hey, the price is right. So make sure y'all get that Todd. Give them that phone number.
205-965-2679.
All right, so y'all, for example, like the lady that's over here, this shop over here, she saw the truck. See the truck over there? Let's zoom in on the truck. We're finna go outside and look at the truck so y'all just know that. So we located in Midfield, Alabama. He'll travel to you. So he over there. I grab the phone number. There you go, right there. 205-965-2679. Appreciate you putting up on me, man.
Yes, sir. Anytime.
Yes, sir, bro. Appreciate you, man.
You,
yes, sir.
Any issues, just call me, brother.
All right. Great cut. Will do, man. Tornado, he said hello. Hey.